day another dollar. I got mine and got none to borrow. Fuck a role model, never had one to follow. Lot of cotton mouth rappers, I'm a hard one to swallow. Here's another hard one to goggle. Fuck your life, that's the motto. I'm nice with Mike's custom motto. Drug-related blunt guts, all up in your condo. Hate a nosy woman, why you all up in my condo? Let me hold something. Look at you killers like you rolled something, stole something. Give me my paper before I blow something right now. Give me my fucking shit. I want it right now. Give me my fucking shit. Shady niggas hiding the loot. You see my baby need shoes, and the record label trying to recoup. I want it right now. Give me my fucking shit. And I mean right now. Give me my fucking shit.
Gun battles, so many chains in the neck, hands and feet. Niggas say I'm shackled, sky blue, cherry cloth, low pullover. Content like a 2010 new Hoover. Rubies on, never ran it. Call me a dog, you're shitting everywhere cause niggas can't stand it. Turning they faggot to violate square. Goon therapy, SI, we don't fight fair. Beef, we can get it on right here. And that includes y'all little niggas wearing tight gear.
And that's your target, aim right there. My money long and green like Buzz Lightyear. I'm all right here. The way I move the blow, fuck a show. You would think it was an all-white affair. Been fuego, more fire here. And you see me getting money off the water like a Paul Ferrell there. No Newports, more barrels here. Blow smoke at the smoke in your face, bitch. I ain't never cared. Get shot down when the dog smell fair. Let me hold something. Look in your face like you owe something.
Let me hold something. Look at you killers like you owe something, stole something. Give me my paper before I blow something right now. Give me my fucking shit. And I mean right now. Give me my fucking shit.
My niggas, throw your hands in the air right now, man. Feel this shit right here. Scott Storch, nigga. Yeah, Khaled, I see you, nigga.
You'll know when there's no more bullets left in there.
Yeah. I don't give a fuck about your faults or mishaps, nigga. We from the Bronx, New York, shit happens. Kids clapping, love to spark the place. Half the niggas in the squad got a scar on their face. It's a cold world and this is ice. Half a meal for the charm, nigga, this is life. Got the phantom in front of the building, Trinity, yeah. 10 years, been legit, they still figure me bad. As a young, was too much to cope. Why you think motherfuckers nicknamed me cook shit? Should've been called on robbery, stall shit, or maybe grand larceny. I did it all, I put the pieces to the puzzle. Just as long, I knew me and my people was gonna bubble. I came out the gate on some Flojo shit. Fat nigga with the shotty was the logo kid. Said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back, come on. Now we living better now, coochie sweater now. And that fork can fly through any weather now. See, niggas get tight when you're worth some millions. This is why I thought the chinchilla hurt their feelings. You can find your crack at all type of shit. Out of Vegas front row to all the fights and shit. If Father Born come, then they proudly squeal. It's at the rappers that blow like Derek for real. If you cross the line, damn right, I'm gon' hurt you. These faggot niggas even made gang signs commercial. Even Lil Bow Wow throwing it up. B2K Crip walking like that's what's up. Can't keep telling me to speak about the rucker. Matter of fact, I don't want to speak about the rucker. Now even Pee Wee Kirkland could imagine this. My niggas didn't have to play to win the championship. Come on, niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and do the rock away. Now lean back, lean back, lean back. Come on, I said my niggas don't dance, we just pull up our pants and